Now we have to discuss the next topic. Magnetic field produced by the current in a circular arc of a wire. Here in a previous topic we discussed the magnetic field due to the straight wire, and in the another topic we discussed the magnetic field due to the straight long two parallel wires. Now we discuss the magnetic field due to the circular arc. For this we consider a circular arc AB. Let's consider AB is a circular arc of a wire. Here from this wire, let I be the current flows through this wire. We let O be the center of this circular arc, and this circular arc will be at a distance r from this point A, and this arc creates an angle theta. This arc creates an angle theta with the point A and B and O. We consider a small element of this wire is dl. dl will be the small element. Then the magnetic field of induction dB. Magnetic field of induction, we determine that dB according to the Biot-Savart law, which will be equal to I dl, which will be equal to mu 0 upon 4 pi I dl into r divided by r cube. This is according to the Biot-Savart law. Now, which is equal to, now we discuss about this, which is equal to mu 0 upon 4 pi into I dl r sine of 90 degree divided by r cube. Here we say that sine 90 having value 1. Therefore, this equation becomes mu 0 upon 4 pi I dl r upon r cube. Here 1 r will get cancelled from this equation. Then the magnetic field of induction dB is equal to mu 0 upon 4 pi I dl upon r square. Call this equation number 1. The direction of this dB is into the paper. Here this dB, now we determine now we have to solve the next part. Here from this equation we say that dB is equal to mu 0 upon 4 pi into I dl upon r square. Now to determine the magnetic field of induction over whole wire, we determine first only due to this small element dl. Now we determine due to the whole wire. We have to integrate this equation. When we have to integrate, the integration of dB will be equal to p. Now integrate on both sides. Therefore, mu 0 upon 4 pi I integration of dl upon r square. Now we substitute the value of integration of dl will be equal to mu 0 upon 4 pi I upon r square. Here the value of this from 0 to theta into r d theta. Here into r d theta. That means the value of this will determine from this section. Here is the small angle d theta is created, and from that we determine the value of integration of dl is r d theta. When we solve this in the next step, here we will write which is equal to mu 0 upon 4 pi I upon r square into r into theta. Then by rearranging this equation we get mu 0 upon 4 pi into I upon r into theta. This is the magnetic field of induction. This is the magnetic field of induction due to the produced by the current carrying circular coil at this arc. Now we determine the magnetic field of induction at the center of this arc. At the center of this arc, center of this wire, of the circular current carrying current, that current will be I, then this equation is modified as B is equal to mu 0 upon 4 pi into I upon R. The value of this theta will be 2 pi. Then this will get cancelled. Then the magnetic induction will be mu 0 upon I upon 2R. This is the equation for the magnetic field of induction at the center of a coil